Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and what's more romantic than sharing a decadent, homemade dessert? Forget crowded restaurants. This year, let's create a special moment at home with the ultimate treat, rich, velvety chocolate fondue. It's surprisingly simple to make, but looks incredibly impressive. I'll show you how to create this beautiful experience step by step. First, let's prepare our dippers. The key to a great fondue is a variety of textures and flavors. I'm starting with some beautiful, fresh strawberries. Make sure they're washed and dried completely. Water and melted chocolate don't mix. I'm also slicing up some bananas, which are so creamy and delicious when dipped. For a bit of crunch and a salty contrast, I've got some pretzels and a few fluffy marshmallows. You can get creative here. Think cube pound cake, or in segments, or even crispy rice treats. Arrange everything on a platter so it looks inviting and abundant. Now for the star of the show, the chocolate. The secret to the best fondue is using high-quality chocolate. I'm using a 70% dark chocolate bar today. The higher cocoa content gives it a deep, rich flavor that isn't overly sweet, which is perfect for balancing the sweetness of the fruit. Break the chocolate into small, even pieces and place them in a heat-proof bowl. We're going to melt this gently over a double boiler. If you don't have one, just place your bowl over a saucepan with a little simmering water. Make sure the bottom of the bowl doesn't touch the water. Slowly stir the chocolate as it begins to melt. You'll see it transform into a glossy, smooth river of deliciousness. Once it's fully melted, I like to add a little splash of heavy cream. This isn't just for flavor, it helps keep the fondue silky smooth and perfect for dipping. Stir it in until it's fully combined. Look at that gorgeous shine. Now, it's time to set the mood. Pour the melted chocolate into your fondue pot and light the small tea light underneath. This will keep our chocolate warm and perfectly liquid throughout our dessert date. The gentle flicker of the candle, the vibrant colors of the fruit, and that incredible chocolate aroma, it's pure magic. There's something so intimate and special about sharing food you've prepared with love. It's not just about the taste. It's about the connection, the shared experience, and the memories you create together. Dipping, sharing, and savoring each bite is what makes this so much more than just a dessert. So this Valentine's Day, light a candle, melt some chocolate, and create a sweet moment that you'll both remember. Happy Valentine's Day. Thanks for cooking with me. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and special recipes. See you next time.